Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Une petite promenade. Je fais la sourde oreille. Quoi? 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 Je veux faire du stop. Je fais la fête. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Je fais une promenade. Viens avec moi. Ouais, je marche. Je fais du stop. Non, c'est par là. Comme ça. Pour quelqu'un bien dans mon aide. Je fais la grasse matinée. In this video, everybody, I'm gonna teach you 5 expressions with the verb, well, le verbe faire, right? Which in English is the verb to do. When you do something, that's le verbe faire. First of all, everybody, we need to remember the conjugation of le verbe faire. So it goes like this. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle, on fait. Nous faisons, no, c'est pluriel. Vous faites, ils font, elles font. The first expression, everybody, is faire la grasse matinée. So the meaning is when you actually sleep more, you're sleeping, you want to stay in bed and oh my god, je vais faire la grasse matinée. Peut-être 2 more hours, 1 hour more, who knows? Well, don't sleep too much. Do not faire la grasse matinée too much, please. The second expression, everybody, is faire la sourde oreille. L'oreille, c'est ça. The heart is like your ears. Sourde is like you don't want to listen, right? Like being deaf. So yeah, so that's the meaning, right? When you guys fait la sourde oreille, you somehow ignore someone, right? You don't want to listen to him or her for some reason. Okay, so it's like perhaps your mom or your dad is telling you you have to clean your room. It's like, je vais faire la sourde oreille. No, ne le fais pas. Don't do it, please. You have to clean your room. Yes. The third expression, everybody, is faire une promenade. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? What's that? It's like the thing I'm doing right now is like going out for a walk, right? For a little bit. Like, that's it. Promenade, c'est comme marcher, 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 marcher. And then you relax, right, for a couple of minutes, or, you know, some people do it for fun. Right, I do it for fun. So, faire une promenade. The fourth expression, everybody, is faire la fête. No, it's like do the party or just party, right? It's like you celebrate something, you dance, maybe like with your friends, and yeah, you have a pretty good time. That's faire la fête. No, maybe it's your birthday or anniversary or something. People like to, you know, party, right? That's the expression. Fais la fête, nous faisons la fête. And the last and fifth expression for today is faire du stop. Right? It's similar to hitchhike, right? When probably you don't have a car or you miss the bus for some reason. Oh my god, I have to hitchhike, somebody have to pick me up. That's to faire du stop. Je vais faire du stop, je fais du stop, nous faisons du stop, no? Etc., etc. Oui, parce que peut-être, oui, ça peut arriver de temps en temps. Sometimes it happens. This is it. This is all, everybody. This video was about French expressions using le verbe faire, not the verb to do. Yes, that's in French, le verbe faire. Alright, let me know in the comments if these expressions are useful, and also let me know what kind of other expressions do you want me to, you know, make videos about. Alright, there are tons of verbs. Maybe you guys want different adjectives or different ideas. Alright, let me know so I can take them into consideration for sure. As for me, that's all for today, and we're gonna see each other in another awesome video. Bye bye.